Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I've got my coffee right here. We're still in Christmas mode, and you know, with me, probably one of the biggest things that I've always done on my channel in my content is resets, because I feel like it's so important to fully reset and do cleaning, organizing around the house. It completely just makes my entire week that much better. One thing I've always struggled with is time. So having kids and just with the amount of content that I get up, just running a business, it gets so busy. And I get asked all the time, how do you clean your house all the time, like for your videos? And I mean, it takes a long time. It takes hours and hours, and that's the honest truth. I spend about 8 hours cleaning just to do one reel. So I'm really excited about today's video, and I don't usually do dedicated content, but I feel like this is going to help so many of you that also struggle with time. If you have animals, we have our little Maxie at home. There is just busyness around the home life, you know? And I feel like whatever we can do to make that easier, cut the time down in half, is a must. And it is going to save your life how it has for me this whole weekend, which I'm so excited because it came in on Friday. So I've used it this weekend, and it has utterly changed my life and really has given me the opportunity to do so much more, hence why so many videos are going up. I'm going to be showing you guys the MOVA V50 Ultra Complete, and it's a vacuum and mop combined. This is a robot vacuum as well as a mop, which is amazing. And it's funny, as you get older, I feel like things like this just excite you. I feel like there's nothing as satisfying as a clean home, clean house, or just walking in the door and having all the dishes done and floors cleaned. I wanted to show you an entire demo and how this works and how it's going to save so much time for you. Also has the Duo solution technology, which eliminates pet odor. So if you have pets at home and you have that like funky smell in your house, like wet dog, this is going to help with that. So not only does it clean your floors, it also neutralizes the odors. I'm just going to show you guys all the key functions and the way that you can really utilize this in the best way possible in your home. It's just going to be so much maintenance free, which I love saying those words. This has some major product innovation, and this is all AI. It has an app that you can use, so it voice activates, and you can control it all from your phone, which is so handy. It actually has a camera built into it as well, so you guys can view the mapping of when it's cleaning your home. I wanted to do a quick unboxing first of the robot vacuum together. When you unbox it, it has everything inside: the vacuum itself, the charging dock, the power cable, the dustbin, the water tank for mopping, the mop pads, and the side brushes. It even comes with extra replacements, which I love. Everything is super organized and easy to set up. You literally just attach the side brushes, pop in the dustbin or the water tank, depending on what mode you want, and place it on the dock to charge. That's it.
Welcome to use MOVA Robot. Please open Robot's cover and scan QR code to download app to view more operations.
Today we are doing a deep clean with my MOVA robot vacuum, and I'm going to show you why this little vacuum has completely upgraded my cleaning routine. You guys know I love keeping my house cozy, clean, and aesthetic because of my videos, but honestly, the floors have always been my biggest challenge. Setup was super simple. You plug in the dock, place the vacuum on it, let it fully charge, and connect it to the app. It scans and maps the whole main floor, so it knows exactly where to go and clean in smooth, organized lines. It's very precise, which I love. The feature I'm so excited to show you, and I filmed lots of clips of this, is the mopping mode. My floors have always been so hard to keep streak-free, and you can literally see everything on these floors. I have so much natural light in my home, and of course there's the kids, so there's snacks and of course crumbs, all my coffee moments of when I've spilt, and I tell you guys that all the time. This is the very first time they've looked perfectly clean with zero streaks. You can actually see in the clips how the mop glides evenly and leaves the prettiest clean finish. It looks like I spent hours scrubbing, but it's literally just the robot doing its thing. Been using it after dinner, after the kids' snacks, and honestly whenever the floors need a quick refresh. And the shine it leaves behind is unreal. After I came back home from groceries, I honestly was so shocked on how clean the floors looked. And I'm not joking when I say it has not looked that clean in like 5 years since we bought our house. Now I have to talk about something super important for moms, anyone with long hair, or if you have pets. The anti-tangle bottom brush is one of the biggest reasons why I love this vacuum. I get hair everywhere, so this has made it so much easier, so the hair doesn't wrap around the brush like traditional vacuums. I shed a lot. Obviously, every other vacuum I've had would get clogged so easily. This one separates the hair as it cleans. Don't get that tangled mess. It's honestly life-changing. Suction is really strong as well. It gets crumbs, dust, hair, basically everything. And it goes under furniture, which I don't normally reach for. Under my couch, I don't think I've honestly ever cleaned under there, and it was going right under there in spots that I've never been able to get. The dustbin is a great size and super easy to empty, which is perfect because I use it every day. Between the powerful vacuuming, streak-free mopping, and the anti-tangle brush, my floors have seriously never looked this clean. It makes the whole house feel so fresh and put together, and it takes such a huge load off my daily routine. With how busy I am, the girls, work, filming, and everything else, having something that cleans while I can get other things done is just amazing. The shine is just so satisfying. You're going to love this vacuum just as much as I do. Just went to go get groceries and I wanted to check, so the house is still being cleaned. Look at that. Like, how nice is that? The fact I'm not washing floors right now and I get to go back to a clean house. Just got home from getting groceries and the floors look so clean. It's literally under my couch right now, which I would never be able to get. It also has AI automatic lifting on the device of the robot. It detects narrow furniture and lowers itself automatically, making it extremely accessible everywhere in your house, and also just making it easier for you to do other things while it's cleaning your house. Before, I had to lift my vacuum to get underneath the sofa in those really hard to get areas, but now the robot does it all on its own. Also, some of the cool features that I really like is the warm water mopping feature, and it also has a mop lift function. So including our living room and areas around the house, we have a lot of carpets, and this will help avoid wetting any of the rugs. I want to show you over here. It literally did my entire house when I was gone. Look at that. It definitely does a better job than I would. Right, Maxie? Yeah. Even did our powder room as well, went over the carpet. It's looking so clean in there. And this floor is actually the hardest for me to clean. We have this tile in the laundry room as well, but it's like almost gritty. But look how clean it is. Like, I have not seen it this clean since we moved in this house 5 years ago. You guys have a Christmas tree. Like, I haven't even decorated it yet, and the snow tends to fall off a lot, so it's nice that it picks that up, plus washes the floors. You have that option to do either one. Once it is finished, it just goes back to its home base. Well, that is today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching. The MOVA robot vacuum is honestly a must, and it has been life-changing for me. I love the fact that it mops and vacuums. It is a 2-in-1, and it's so easy to utilize in your homes. The nice part too is when it goes back to the base, it automatically cleans itself and has an auto drying function. So no need to specify temperature or anything. It just makes your life a lot easier. And you guys can actually get this on Amazon, so I'll have the link down in my description for you. They're having a Black Friday early bird deal at $200 off Canadian, $400 off US. So I will leave that down below to let you guys know it has a 3-year warranty on it as well. If you guys are looking to have your home just ultra clean and make it super easy, I highly recommend this product. And thank you so much for all the love on the videos. I have lots of Christmas content coming for you, and I hope you guys enjoy cleaning as much as I do. And it's just become my zen. Never thought I would say that, but it really has. So I hope you guys have a fantastic day and week, and I'll see you in my next video.